How to Scale Content Creation 2022. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to scale your content creation in order to grow your business or your blog and a website. So let's get into it. When it comes to using social media, when it comes to your content creation, everybody is looking for different ways to scale their content creation so that they can work on the SEO and their website or e-commerce lands higher in Google search results. And if that happens, we will be able to grow our business, sell our products, and more. So content creation is an important part nowadays when it comes to running a business online. So that's what we will be covering today, and I'll show you how to actually scale your content creation, what are the different tips and tricks that you need to know, and how you can actually do it. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to understand that what are the different factors that play an important role in content creation. I'm not just talking about creating videos and photos. We can do that. That is content creation, but I'm going to get deep into it, and we're going to work on SEO and keywords and how you can actually work on the SEO of your content creation. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and what we need to do is whenever you're creating a content, you're writing a blog, you are creating videos, you are writing descriptions on YouTube. So you need to actually get the right keywords. You need to get the right links in order to work on the SEO so that your website, your blog ranks higher. And this is how we can scale our content. So there are a lot of platforms out there. One of the platforms that I suggest is href. It's one of the most famous SEO platform out there with a lot of different features and tools. You can go ahead and sign up for hrefs.com, get to the platform, and then click on sign up. There is a pricing plan for href. It's not completely free. You can select from the pricing plans available. So let me actually show you. You can see the light starts from $99. Then there is a standard plan, which is $199. Then there is an advanced plan, which is going to be $399, and an enterprise, which is going to be $999. So you can go with this one. With the first plan, you're getting SEO dashboard, SEO explorer, keyword explorer, site audit, rank tracker, and alerts. So these are the different features you will be getting with $99 per month. Select the plan of your choice, and then you can check out the different features. In our dashboard, we're actually getting a high level view of all of our projects and tracks, and we can actually track the SEO performance and progress. Then we're getting a site explorer, researcher, competitor, backlinks, and keyword rankings. Then there is a keyword explorer, find winning keyword ideas from our industry leading database. Site audit is available, which automatically scans your website for SEO issues. Then there is a rank tracker and content explorer. So these are the different features that you will be getting with href. Href is pretty famous and very good for this. If you want to go with a free platform, then there are other platforms as well, but you need to have an SEO platform if you want to scale your content. This way, you will be able to get the right keywords. How the keywords work: for example, I am on Instagram or I am on Pinterest, and I create a pin, and it's about fashion, it's about a dress. So I can just write the word dress for women, right? But maybe that's not the right keyword. It's not the word that people actually search for in the search bar. Maybe people are searching for floral dresses for women, or maybe dresses for girls. So these are just some words, but they play an important role when it comes to working on your content creation. So all of the influencers that you see on Instagram, on TikTok, they actually work on SEO of their descriptions, on their captions, while creating a post. So this is very important. If you want to grow your business and scale your content, make sure to work on the SEO. Make sure to get the right keywords. How to get the right keyword? Let's say that you do not have the budget for hrefs. Then what you can do is you can use that platform as well. What I do is sometimes is that you can just go to Instagram and you can just search right here in the search bar, and it will show you the recent searches, what people search for, and you will get an idea that, okay, this is what people are searching for. You can also use Google Analytics to get all the information you want. If it's YouTube, you can just go in the search bar and type in your title, and it will show you the results, and you will get an idea that, okay, this is the word people are searching for, and this is the word that I'm using, and I should change it. So that's how easy it is to work on the SEO. Now, let's say that you run a blog or a website. So, how you can actually hire people to do the job for you, to actually work on the SEO and scale your content creation. So, for that, I would suggest going to a freelancing platform. You can go to upwork.com or fiverr.com. This is fiverr.com, which is world's leading freelancing platform with all of the different niches available. So now it also shows you any niche you are in. If you are in digital marketing, if you are in blog writing, article writing, if you create videos and animation, if you do programming and tech, if you create blogs about business, then if you have something about lifestyle. So all of these different categories are available on Fiverr. And there are people, skilled people in these fields that can help you work on your blogs, on your websites, on your e-commerce platforms to help you with the SEO and scale your content. Let's say I'm running a blog and I write blogs and I need to actually have a good blog writing. What I am doing is, let's say I'm writing a blog but it's not getting the traffic. I want to scale it. So I'll just go to Fiverr. I'm going to just find content creation. I'm going to writing and translation and go to articles and blogs. Now we have all of these different people. You can see they're very cheap. They're not expensive. You can get people for $5, $10, and you can get the blogs for maybe $20 per blog. You can also do an hourly rate if you want, like $4 per hour, $5 per hour. So a lot of people are working on these rates. For example, this one, you can see I will write an engaging high quality article or blog post in just 24 hours. And they're just charging like maybe $10 for this. Then we have I will write a compelling blog and article for you. I will write SEO friendly. I will write effective German SEO blog. So SEO, people who work on SEO are pretty, they know all the information. You can see I will write your SEO rich travel blog. So I can hire someone to, scale my content. I will write high quality SEO website content or blog post. Pro verified freelancer right here with more than 200 reviews. This is pretty impressive. I will write high quality SEO articles for you. I will do SEO article writing. I will do SEO optimization, SEO blogs. So you can see how they're using the word SEO. And you can see this one right here, 100% original SEO friendly blogs. So now I can hire any of these people to help me scale my content. And I will be able to actually create content, create a blog which is SEO friendly, and it will help me with my content creation, and it will scale and improve my content. Similarly, if I have video and animation, I can actually go to a different category. You can see video editing, logo animation, lyrics and music video, character animation, animated GIFs. Then we have app and website preview. So I can actually hire someone with good knowledge and a person that will help me, a skilled person in that niche, in that specific niche, to help me with my content creation. So this is actually a way that we do it. It automates our work and it outsources our work as well. Then we have graphic designing available, programming and tech, where you will be able to get your e-commerce development, mobile apps, chatbots, a lot of different options in lifestyle. There's traveling blogs, there are modeling and acting as well. So you can just hire professionals to do the job for you, and you can just sit back and relax and make money out of your blog. You can make money out of your website, your e-commerce platform, and you can just outsource your work with these people that you can hire as freelancers. So this is also one of the tips that I wanted to give you guys. Go ahead and check out fiverr.com or upwork.com. These two platforms work pretty well. Then you can also check out an SEO platform yourself, which is href. You can also go for free platforms out there to scale your content. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.